Hello students, in this video we will be discussing about the chemical effect of electric current. Students, as you have studied in class 6th that conductors are the materials which allow electric current to pass through them. Like all the metals are good conductor and tap water is also an example of conductor, and insulators any material that does not allow electric current to pass through them like plastic, cloth, rubber, wood, glass, etc. And plasma are example of materials of high electrical conductivity. The element that is best electrical conductor is silver, a metal. Electrical insulator such as glass, pure water have poor electrical conductivity. Good conductor and bad conductors. Substances which allow electric current to pass through them easily are called good conductors of electricity such as silver, gold, aluminium, etc. Some substances allows electric current to pass through them but in a very little amount. Therefore, such substances are called bad conductor of electricity rather than being called as insulator. In fact, most of the substances allow electric current to pass through them under certain conditions. So instead of being termed conductors and insulators, good conductor and bad conductors are used. Conduction tester. A conduction tester is a device used to determine whether a substance is a good or poor conductor of electricity. Conduction tester using a torch bulb. Conduction tester using a torch bulb is a simple conduction tester, has an electric cell and a torch bulb. One terminal of the cell is connected to one terminal of the bulb by a wire. The other terminal of cell and bulb have wires which can be brought in contact with material to test whether they are good or poor conductors of electricity. If material is a good conductor, then the bulb will glow, and if it is a poor conductor, then the bulb does not glow. Conduction tester using LED. The full form of LED is light emitting diode. Sometimes the current flowing through the circuit may be too weak and the filament of the bulb may not get sufficiently heated to make it glow. Then, instead of torch bulb, an LED can be used in the circuit. Students, LED glows even when a weak current flows in the circuit. Conduction tester using a magnetic compass. If a magnetic compass is kept near a wire and current flows through the wire, the magnetic needle gets deflected. So, we can use a magnetic compass instead of torch bulb or LED in the circuit. The magnetic needle gets deflected even if a weak current flows in the circuit. Electrical conductivity of liquids. Students, some liquids are good conductor of electricity. For example, tap water, salt solution, hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, etc. Solutions of acids, bases, and salts are conductor of electricity. And some liquids are poor conductor of electricity like distilled water, sugar solution, kerosene, spirit, etc. Conductivity of water in different types of water. Because salts are dissolved in seawater which dissociate into ions, so seawater are good conductor of electricity and their conductivity is more as compared to tap water, because tap water has less ions as compared to seawater, and distilled water has no ions to conduct electricity. That is why they do not allow the electricity to pass through them. But conductivity of distilled water can be increased by adding few amount of salt in it. Electrolysis is the effect in which components of a compound get split into its ions due to passing an electric current through it. An electrode is a conductor of electricity that can carry electric current into non-metals and other poor conductors of electricity. Like, there are two types of electrodes, anode and the cathode. Anode is attached to the positive terminal of the battery, and cathode is attached to the negative terminal of battery. So cations, as they are positively charged particles, are attracted toward cathode, and anions, as they are negatively charged particles, are attracted toward anode. An electrolyte is a solution that breaks into its ions on passing electricity through it. Chemical effects of electric current. When electric current passes through a conducting solution or electrolyte, it causes chemical reactions. This is called chemical effect of electric current. Chemical effect of electric current may causes formation of gas bubbles at the electrodes, deposit of metal on the electrodes, and change in color of the solution. Electrolysis of water. When electric current is passed through water, it splits up into hydrogen and oxygen. This is called electrolysis of water. When electric current is passed through water, oxygen gas bubbles are produced at electrode connected to the positive terminal of the battery, that is anode, and hydrogen gas bubbles are produced at the electrode connected to the negative terminal of the battery, that is cathode. Students, I will continue with the same topic in next video. Thank you, students.